Hello. Today, let's talk about how to lock your car while the battery is not working anymore in it. The battery in your smart remote or the starter battery in your car. If this happens, there is maybe a problem that you cannot close the doors at your Audi A3 Sportback or S3 car. If this happens, open the car door and look at the side of your car door. There is a lock cover. You can use your key or a flat screwdriver to unlock this cover, and under this you can see a lock area which you can use to rotate to the clockwise position a little bit. If you perform that, the door is locked. Here we are. Good job. Let's perform this on all other doors too. Look at the passenger side. Here we are the same. There is the lock cover and tighten it, and then you can rotate the clockwise clock easily. That's awesome, isn't it? So you can lock the gates while your car battery is not working well. If the energy comes back, no problem to open it again, as you can see. I used the remote control to open the car right now. And you can see it's easy, and you can reattach the lock covers again. That's how you can seal your car a little bit while your battery is not working, or the battery is not right more left in the car. That is possible too. But so you can lock it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.